Good evening. Today we will discuss about the trade today in Bank Nifty using the Excel software we have developed. Um, as you can see, we have to put the three data set high, low between 9:15 to 9:45 a.m., 9:45 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. and 10:15 to 10:45 a.m. So what we have to do is that at 10:45 we have to the bank nifty chart. We have to set the chart at 30-minute candle, and we have to note down the high and low of the first, second and third. That's it. So let's check. So once we will put the data here in daily income decision making say, you will find what will be the trade today and what should be the target and all those level. Let's collect the data first. So we have to write down the high and low data for first 30 minutes. As you can see, this is the first 30-minute candle of the day. The high was 3195 3.90. Look at this, 3195 3.90, and the low was 31874.25. And the next candle, the high was 32020 and the low was 31935.00. The high was 32010 and the low was 31955.10. As we noted down all those three high and low data, that's it. Every day at 10:45 you have to put down these data into this Excel sheet. Let put the date first. It is 28/11/2019. As you can see, nothing is there now. As soon as we will put the data, we should expect some level to appear there. 874.25. The high is 32020 and 31935, and the high was 32010 and 31955.10. That's it. We have input the data. Now we should move to the daily income sheet to check the trade for today. As you can see, the trade is, yes, will I trade today? Yes, you should trade today. What should be your plan? Your plan is plan A. Now what is plan A? If you want to know in details, then I recommend highly to go to the link in the descriptions and you will find the details there. Today we have to trade for 50 points and the trade level was long above 32023 with stop loss 31930 and target 32073. So basically the trade is long above, sorry, 32023, stop loss 31930, and target 32073. Now let's come back to chart again to check the trade. The long was above 32023. We have, look at this horizontal line, we have placed it at 32023, indicating the entry point, and the stop loss point 31930, and the target was 32073 respectively. As you can see that around 11:15 the trade got executed, and after a couple of minutes the target was hit around say 11:45 kind of level or greater than that. So today we have earned 50 point. So our income today is 50 point into 20, that is 1000 rupees, minus, if we minus the commissions, it should be around 60 rupees. So today's income is INR 940. Thank you so much for giving your time. We update these daily bank nifty trade regular basis. So if you want to check the daily income generated by this system, then I highly recommend you to subscribe the channel. And again, I must thank you for your time. Goodbye.